Welcome to Channel DT. Hey guys, without much talk, let's go to our video. First need to download our system file, so go to website called SAM Mobile. In here click firmware. Go to the search bar and type your mobile phone code. Like my phone code is J700F. You can find SALEU phone code in about phone or back of your phone. After typing code, click check update button. In here you can see all the updates you mobile have binding to end. I'm from Sri Lanka, so the latest update I have for my mobile is security patch level August 1st, 2017. As you can see here. And the Android version 6.0.1. My phone is already installed with that version. So I'm going to install the version that released to Thailand in April 1st, 2018. To download you need an account to join them, so click join to download. I go with individual and free. I think you all can give the information they need and create an account, so I'm not going to talk about it. After create account they send an email with a link, you can go website using it. So again you have to search your mobile. After waiting some time you will see download file and just click your file will download. We also need an app called Odin Flash Tool if you could. It's best to download its 3.14.4 or older version. Also I forgot to tell you the link of both SAM Mobile and the website of Odin app you can download are in description. Both file and compress forms, so first you need to extract them. After that open Odin app. In here according to your mobile phone when you extract the file you download from Smobile you will have one or multiple files. So if you have one file put them in BL directly like me. If you have multiple file in the Beijing of the file name you will find BL, CP or AP so I think you will able to put them according to. After that switch off your mobile and press and hold both volume up and down and power button until screen switch on. If your phone is Samsung old phone like mine, you need to press home button with previous step. Next connect your phone to Eper PC with data cable. If your phone connect correctly in Odin app, left will show in blue color it was connected. Then you can click start in Odin and it will be going to load. Be careful and don't let the phone to disconnect no matter what. When Odin show pass installation is done, and your phone will restart and begging to install. I didn't install a new Android version and didn't reset phone before this, so my setting and data will not change, only security patch level will change. So my phone this like a security update, but if you install Android version, you will get completely different for my video, but not in a bad way. You can see only my Android security patch level is up.